Qassim, Saudi Arabia, April 19, 2026.
وش الحل؟ شغل النور انت ما مشغل عيش يجي كمبيوتر يجي يقول على طول هلا بس كده خلص الثالثة وهذه الرابعة خامسة ست هذه بعد كله تريلات شوية صوت سلمة التاكس ولا عسى الله يعوضكم ان شاء الله عسى الله يعوضكم عسى الله يعوضكم ان شاء الله وش يا سبحان الله مر عليك.
A heavy rainstorm accompanied by strong winds swept through the Qassim region near Riyadh Al-Khabir, causing significant disruption as several trailers were overturned due to the severe weather conditions. The storm brought intense rainfall and powerful gusts that affected visibility and road stability in the area, prompting concerns over safety and damage as authorities monitor the situation and assess the impact. Rain accompanied by a storm with winds of 80 to 120 kilometers per hour, 60 to 75 miles per hour, has caused chaos in the Aniza area and on the road between Riyadh Al-Khabir and al-Qareen, Saudi Arabia. Several videos circulating on social media show the storm, with strong winds, heavy rain, hail, and even flooding, battering the area. The storm's incredible speed even overturned passing trucks. اللهم اجعل الرياح وش اليوم الله. According to reports from various sources, including X, Twitter, Disaster News, and Instagram posts, the Aniza area experienced extreme rainfall, triggering flash floods on the city's main roads and the surrounding desert areas. Videos circulating showed vehicles submerged in floodwaters on several roads. The floodwaters ranged in height from ankle-deep to car roofs. In addition to the floodwaters, large hailstones were also reported. This phenomenon made the land of Aniza and other parts of Qassim appear to be covered in snow, creating a stark contrast to the typically arid desert climate.
هذا الطريق اللي يقطع بين محطة الوادي ورياض الخبرة. هذا مرايا تكسر أنا مرايا. والقزاز تكسر. لا بقى.
Several clips showed hazardous driving conditions, with visibility severely limited by the heavy rain and thick fog. Strong winds were also seen shaking trees and billboards around the Qassim region. The storm was also accompanied by strong winds, which drastically reduced visibility, increasing the risk of traffic accidents. Furthermore, several videos showed layers of white, marble-sized hailstones covering the roads, flowing like rivers.
يا سلام يا ولد ايه قدريات غرقت.
Due to the hard soil in the area, which makes it difficult for water to absorb quickly, heavy rain quickly turned into powerful surface runoff. Main roads turned into artificial rivers with currents strong enough to sweep away vehicles. On the other hand, this flood was unique because it brought not only water and mud but also chunks of ice left over from unmelted hail. This ice clogged drainage channels, further exacerbating the flooding on city streets.
السلام عليكم، مساكم الله بالخير. وهذه أمطار حفر الباطن اليوم السبت 18 أبريل 2026.
Furthermore, the flooding caused deep waterlogging under flyovers and underpasses. This cut off major transportation links connecting Aniza with surrounding cities like Riyadh, resulting in severe traffic congestion. Authorities immediately deployed heavy equipment and large water pumps to drain the floodwaters at crucial points. Traffic police also completely closed roads on routes deemed dangerous to public safety. The Saudi Arabian government, through the National Center for Meteorology, NCM, and Civil Defense, had issued a series of official warnings before the storm hit the Aniza and Al-Qassim regions. Meteorological authorities set the highest alert level for the Al-Qassim region. This warning signaled the potential for severe danger from extremely heavy rain, persistent lightning, and hail, which could damage property.
أحاول بطلع من هناك أنا عشان بطمر على البيت. الله يستر عليكم. مشكلة والله مشكلة العنف.
الله يعوضنا خير. الحمد لله على كل حال. الحمد لله الحمد لله الحمد لله.
In some areas, education authorities instructed the transition of in-person classes to online learning through the Madrasati platform to ensure the safety of students and teaching staff. Residents were strongly advised not to leave their homes except in emergencies. Civil defense specifically warned people to stay away from valleys, wadis, and low-lying areas where water flows due to the risk of sudden flash floods. The government discouraged residents from approaching or attempting to cross large bodies of water or floodwaters by vehicle, as strong undercurrents are often invisible from the surface. Those forced to stay on the road were warned to immediately pull over to a safe place if visibility decreased significantly and to avoid parking under large trees or billboards, which are vulnerable to being knocked down by strong winds. Meteorologists say the severe storm and hail that struck Aniza, Al-Qassim, on April 19th was the result of extremely unstable meteorological conditions. The Saudi Arabian National Center for Meteorology, NCM, explained that this phenomenon was triggered by the meeting of warm, moist surface air from the Red Sea and the Arabian Sea with a colder upper-level trough. Cumulonimbus cloud formation. The interaction of these contrasting air masses triggers strong convection, a process in which warm air rises rapidly and forms a giant storm cloud called a cumulonimbus. Within these cumulonimbus clouds, powerful updrafts exist. These updrafts carry water droplets into the very cold layers of the atmosphere below freezing, where they freeze into ice pellets. These ice pellets continue to dance up and down within the cloud, building up its layers until they become heavy enough to fall to Earth as hail. Regionally, this extreme weather was influenced by a low-pressure system extending from the Arabian Sea toward the Arabian Peninsula, bringing the moisture necessary to fuel intense thunderstorms. Experts note that the increasing frequency of such extreme weather phenomena in desert regions is indicative of a shift in global climate patterns, where typically rare weather events are now occurring more frequently in the Gulf region.